Hi everyone, just a quick little live again here, just for 5 minutes. And there's a video that I made a few days ago which seems to have gone over really popular. I wish this thing would stop covering my screen. Anyway, there's a video that went a bit popular and I said that you're probably too scared. And I see it in a lot of people and I see it in myself also, so I know the feeling very well. But I was way too scared to just do things. I was scared that I'd get in trouble. I was scared that people would think that I was crazy or laugh at me, or that I would fail, or that I wouldn't know what I was doing and just make a general mess about it. And the funny thing is that none of those things have actually happened. And just going on the internet and talking about what I know and what I'm learning has turned out to be something great. And I may not have made millions from it yet, maybe I will in the future, you never know, but it's turned out really, really well, and it'll do the same thing for you. But the problem is that everyone who sends me a DM, and I get probably 3 to 5 DMs a week from people asking me similar questions, and I always say the same thing to them. I say, you've got to go out there, you've got to make yourself available on the internet, you've got to make content, and you've got to interact with people. And just do that every day for a week. And then once you've done it for a week, do it for 2 weeks, and then for a month, and then just keep going. And I've been doing this video every single day for over a year now. I've been posting videos. And sometimes the videos get absolutely no views, and sometimes they get a lot of views, but it all comes down to the same thing, that opportunities come from putting yourself out there on the internet, and nobody is going to laugh at you, nobody is going to say that you're crazy, most people will not even care, but occasionally something good will come out of it, and that's just really what you need to do. And I shared that story about Elon Musk when he was making the first Tesla, and he took the founders of Google out for a drive, and it was so bad that the thing could hardly drive, and the max speed it could go was 10 miles an hour, and it was embarrassing for everyone involved. But he took a risk, and it turned out well. And risks don't always turn out well, but 99% of the time, they just turn out fine. You make it, you carry on, you learn from your mistakes, and everything really goes well at the end of the day. So I still get nervous, like I feel nervous before I press live to go and chat to you on the internet. And then inevitably I do it and nothing bad happens, so you can do it too. But unfortunately, everyone that I give this advice to, everyone that I say, just put a video out there for 7 days, everyone that I tell to do it, absolutely no one does it. And I don't know why that is. Maybe it's just the initial nerves. But I just want to encourage you today to go out there and try it and then see what happens. And I'll see you later.